Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. So today I'm doing an unboxing of the JLabs Air True Wireless Signature Earbuds. So these are the most sought out budget true wireless headphones out there on the market currently, with actually good sounding sound and also good playback with video playback, should I say. So these were super hard to get here locally in my town. I have about four Walmarts, and only one of them had these, and I called that same Walmart and they told me they didn't have them in stock. So I went to all three, none of them had it. Yes, I did check the app and they said they had them, but I guess whatever. But finally I was able to find these about 20, maybe 30 miles away from my house. So it was the last pair. So as you can see, I did actually buy it from Walmart, guys. Here's a little receipt here showing my purchase here. So as you can see, it's from Walmart. These retail for $49.88, so right under $50, which is a good price. You can actually get these on Amazon, especially right now for the holidays. They are kind of hard to find. But let's go ahead and take a look at these bad boys. Very, very nice. Like I said, 5 stars on Amazon, 5 stars on Walmart. So everything's really good. That's why I want to test them out and see how well they are. And I actually was in the market for some true earbuds either way, since I didn't want any AirPods or anything like that. So right off the bat, it says 14 plus hours of playtime. JLabs Air True Wireless Signature Earbuds. As you can see down here, let it focus. So it says auto on and connect, custom EQ sound, everyday proof, IP55 rating, make calls. So pretty cool, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what else it has. So nice little. So very, very nice. Here's the back of it. Here's actually has a charging case, kind of like AirPods. Very nice. Auto on and playback. So basically, with these ones, you take them out of the box, they will connect automatically to your phone that's synced. Custom EQ3 sound. So basically, you can give it more bass or less, make it sound, control it all with Siri or like Google Assistant. Everyday proof. It is IP55 Sweat resistant. So it's not water resistant, it is sweat resistant. Then here's other equalizer modes I was talking about: signature, balance, and bass boost. So very, very nice. So let's get into it, guys, and see what is that? 2-year warranty? That says 2-year warranty, limited 2 years. Wow, that's pretty cool. And like I said, it was funny. Walmart, man, they're a joke. I was like, you guys have the JLabs? And they're like, we don't even sell that. So shame on Walmart. So here we go. So there you get the charging case, the JLabs Air, the cushion fins. I guess if you need more cushion, gel custom tips. Then here we go. Here's the settings. They are actually touch, guys. So left and right. So volume will go down if you do it on the left. Right will go up. Tracks back, forward. Press and hold for 1 second to make the track go back or forward. Play, of course, 2 clicks. And 2 clicks on the right one will give you Siri and Google. And then, of course, there's where you can change the 3 EQ settings by 3 clicks. So here they are right here, guys. So let's go ahead and pop them open. Whoa, let's see. Oh, so there's the case. Looks like it's fully charged. And what's cool about this is it already comes with a connector to charge it. So this part you're gonna need into a wall mount. Wall adapters, what you're gonna have to pop it in, kind of like a USB, connector. So I mean, the box, it's plastic. I mean, it feels plasticky. Doesn't feel bad or anything, but overall it looks nice. So let's get the earbuds. Whoa, these are very light. So here we go, let it focus. Look at that. So what is this? That's some dust or something? I don't know, it has a little bit of dust and everything, but overall it's pretty cool. Here's the connectors right here. As you can see, that's where it will connect. so small I can barely detect it, but very, very nice. So there's one, and then here's the second one. So there they are. Let's see what else we get in here. So that's just the box. We get, looks like a user manual. So different ways to actually set it up. As you can see, you can hook it up right here. Different ways to plug it up. So either wall mount or to a computer. Very, very nice. And then how it goes into the ear. So I'm going to go ahead and test them out, guys. And like I said, this is just an unboxing. I will do a review later on, since I haven't reviewed them yet. I haven't even tried them out. But let's go ahead and see how easily they will connect. Alright guys, so here I have them here in their little box. So as you can see, looks like they're fully charged. The case has, it's fully charged, has 3 little indicator lights here in the front. Very cool. As you can see, it's saying that they're fully charged. And they're magnetized very well, so check this out. Magnetized. Very, very cool. I like this. I was looking for something like this, especially for work and stuff. So let's go ahead and try to pair them. See if we can get them to pair. So let's go ahead and try to pair these bad boys. So let's see. We should probably open them up and see if it finds it. I haven't even read the instructions yet, so I'm guessing it's these over here. Let's see, maybe take them out. There they go. So you're supposed to take them out. As you can see, they're actually glowing now. So there they are right there. So yeah, you take them out first, guys. And then as you can see, they will start glowing. Now it's connecting, it's pairing. And there we go. So they are connected. JLabs J-Buds Air. So very, very cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and test these out and see which ear. So they does have an indicator of which ear it is. That's what I was looking for. So there it is, R for right. So let me go ahead and put them in my ear. See how well they are. Whoa. They definitely feel a little weird. But let me go ahead and just try to hear something. So it does sound, I can hear my phone clicking. Let's put something on. So yeah, I can definitely hear it. Let me try the other one too. Alright guys, so now, I don't know if you can see it. So they're right there. Pretty cool. So they don't sound that bad. They sound actually really, really good. It does have bass, so let's look at the instructions to see what it was, how to do it. So it says one click will, let me try to lower the volume. So pretty cool. Cool. So yeah, all the settings are working perfectly fine. So it sounds very, very nice, guys. And check them out. So they're really good. God, I don't know if I was yelling or not, but so they sound very, very nice, guys. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm trying to. So they definitely sound nice, guys. I can definitely hear everything. Really nice. Has bass to them. God, I feel like I'm yelling now. But let me turn this off. Let me turn this off just so I don't get copyright or anything like that. But very, very nice. And then when you're ready to actually go ahead and put them back to charge, all you do is just put them back in their little housing. And as you can see, there they are. They're charging again. Close it up, and that's all you need. Like I said, it depends on your ears, but I actually didn't see this, but it's a pretty little cool thing here on the case. If you open it, you will see that you also get the other ear pieces here, just in case your ear is big or small. So very, very nice. Let's see if it focuses. There they are. So very nice, guys. Overall, they're sounding nice, and this is what I've been looking for. So I'm pretty excited to test them out, and I'll do a full review. But that is my unboxing slash mini quick setup and review on them. But overall, they sound amazing. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want a pair of these, you can check them out. I will have in the description below. I will have an Amazon link, so it's gonna be an affiliate link. So if you buy these, like I said, they're less than $50. I will get a little bit of kickback. So check it out, guys.